Hello, my beautiful friends and family and whoever else watches my videos, even you low-key haters who just want to see what I'm up to. Sorry, I'm in a weird mood. I'm drinking my iced coffee. I know I have not made any videos, no vlogs since like March. We're in a pandemic and we got sick and there's just so much that's been going on. So, we's gonna do Weez. Why would I even say it like that? We are gonna do a vlog this weekend so you can see what we're up to. I'm trying to clean right now. Let me put my coffee over there. Yeah. What's happened since March? Since my last video, it was like right when everyone started going on lockdown for coronavirus, and we haven't been doing much. Been home working. I'm working from home. My husband's working on site, and yeah, we've been quarantining. And then we also got the coronavirus because he got it from work and brought it home, and then I got it, but our kids didn't get it, luckily, even though we're all in the same house. I didn't have them tested, so I'm not entirely sure that they didn't get it and just didn't have symptoms. But they didn't get sick, so it was just me and him. We were sick for about 2.5 weeks. I would say by the 3rd week we felt completely like back to normal, but let me tell you, it was the worst shit I've ever experienced in my whole freaking life. Like, I don't know, I feel like it needs a whole video dedicated to how the symptoms and everything you go through. I don't ever want to get that again. And I don't wish it on anyone because it was bad. So anyways, I'm not going to talk forever about it. Let me just finish cleaning. What was I going to say? I'm just waiting for my man to come home. We're going to go grocery shopping, and this is how it is when you're like old, you know, like you're just planning. Like our night of planning is a Friday night to go grocery shopping and mow the lawn. So that's what we're gonna do, but tomorrow hopefully we'll do something funner. Maggie, come here. Oh, good meal. Oh my gosh. My little Rocky stayed by my side. You stayed by my side. I don't like being licked in the mouth. You stayed by my side the whole time I was sick, huh? Yes, he did. Yes, he did. Yeah. Oh my God. You're fast. You're fast, boy.
Who are you barking at? Huh?
You scared him. Daddy's home.
I'm so tired.
Wow, your back is like hot.
It's hot as fuck outside. Come give Daddy a hug.
Stop looking at yourself.
Okay.
So we have pigeons, and I'm going to show you them. Well, this is half of them. There they are. Some pretty birds. These are the newer ones. They're like babies. So they haven't come out to fly yet. Then we got the other half over there in the pigeon coop. Whoa! Whoa! That's Mohammed. I named him, by the way. That one's Mohammed. And I think he's the oldest. Okay, that's baby girl. Here's baby girl right here, smaller one. That's... we didn't name him yet. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's Silver Shark right there. And there goes Muhammad again. They come out and they go right under the tramp. It's too hot, y'all. It's like 90 degrees out here. too hot. My face is all gross. So yeah, we're letting them out, and then we're going to get some groceries. Shout out to my mom for making me these masks. Well, she made my whole family the masks. So me and Sadat have these, and then let's see, this is one of Aziz's, and then Gabby has hers. So yeah, my mom made these for us, and I think they're pretty cute. Going out in style. At my kitchen. This is the part I really hate. It's so ugly. Look, and then I have dishes from dinner. The reality. Dirty table. This is all the stuff I gotta put away. So I'm so tired. I'm starting to get a headache. Oh, so like I mentioned, I have a really bad headache, and I think it's just a combination of it being so hot. It's so hot. It's gonna be like 100 degrees here this weekend, and being dehydrated and not getting enough sleep. So when I was sick, I was drinking these emergency hydrations with electrolytes, and if you're prone to like headaches and getting dehydrated, these are really good. It tastes like shit, but they're good for you. Like, they make me feel better. So just an FYI, it's like a little packet, and I put it in a water, and I'm gonna drink it like a shot because it tastes nasty. Good morning. It's hot. It's already so hot out here. It's 9 a.m. and it's like hot. This vlog is gonna be me complaining how hot it is. But we are up, and we're gonna go try and get some donuts and coffee, and then don't make me sass at you. I will sass at you on the vlog. I do not give a damn. And we have the pigeon cage here. We're actually gonna get some more pigeons. So that is what we're doing so far this morning. I'm just sweating. What in the... Wow. He's big too.
That might be the one, yeah. That's small.
Oh, there's another one. It is so hot. Like I said, I'm going to be talking about, look at my face. I have really bad rosacea, so it looks even worse. We're going to make a drink to sip on while we're sitting in the pool. So I have a Mike's Hard Lemonade here. This is the mango kind. So normally, I think this drink that I'm making normally calls for also some Malibu rum, but we don't have any, and I don't feel like going to the store. So I'm just going to pour one of those into here, my glass full ice. I'm going to mix in some Simply Lemonade Raspberry. So I'm going to pour just a little, not too much, because it does kind of water down there. And then we have some frozen like strawberries, mangoes, and banana. We're going to put those in there. Come here, Ross. Grab him, babe. Come here, Ross. Get in there and swim. Get in there and swim. Apparently I forgot I was vlogging this weekend because I didn't vlog anything today. It's Sunday, and I look so cute. I just got out the shower, and we're gonna have dinner. He made barbecued some ribs, and we got corn on the cob, potato salad, rolls and salad. We didn't do much today. I went and got my massage. I got a 90-minute massage. That was much needed. You know, I was mentioning I had headaches the other day. Well, my masseuse was like, have you been getting a lot of headaches? Sorry, I was looking at a bird. He's like, have you been getting a lot of headaches? I'm like, yes. He's like, your back is tight. Like, all of my upper back was super tight. So it feels so good to get a massage. I love it. Like, I literally need it because I get really bad headaches. Anyway, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here because there's really nothing going on for the rest of the night besides us eating and then probably watching a movie and going to bed because we gotta go back to work tomorrow. So yeah, I tried to make it a good vlog, but this is basically everything we do like every weekend. So anyways, I really missed making videos and just kind of making vlogs, even for just like my friends and family who wonder how we're doing. And yeah, I think I'll try and keep up on it, whether people watch them or not. But anyways, thanks for watching, and probably see you guys in the next video. Hopefully it'll be very soon.